Qualities of people with Sagittarius Moon Sign. Individuals with a Sagittarius Moon Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the adventurous and expansive nature of Sagittarius. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Sagittarius Moon Sign. Adventurous and free-spirited. Sagittarius Moon individuals have a natural love for adventure and exploration. They possess a free-spirited nature and a desire to experience new things and expand their horizons. Optimism and positivity. They have an optimistic and positive outlook on life. Sagittarius Moon people tend to see the silver lining in every situation and have a contagious enthusiasm that uplifts those around them. Love for knowledge and learning. They have a thirst for knowledge and a love for learning. Sagittarius Moon individuals are curious and enjoy expanding their understanding of the world through exploration, travel, and intellectual pursuits. Philosophical and broad-minded. They have a philosophical and broad-minded approach to life. Sagittarius Moon people are open to different perspectives and value the diversity of opinions and beliefs. They may have a strong interest in spirituality or higher truths. Independent and freedom-loving. They value their independence and freedom. Sagittarius Moon individuals have a need for personal autonomy and may feel stifled in restrictive or confining environments. They thrive when they have the freedom to explore and express themselves. Optimistic and inspirational communication. They have a natural gift for inspiring others through their words. Sagittarius Moon individuals are often excellent storytellers and have a talent for sharing their experiences and ideas in a captivating and uplifting manner. Restless and impulsive. They can be prone to restlessness and a desire for constant stimulation. Sagittarius Moon people may have a tendency to seek new experiences, and may become bored or impatient with routine or monotony. Honesty and bluntness. They value honesty and authenticity. Sagittarius Moon individuals tend to speak their minds and may sometimes come across as blunt or direct. They appreciate openness and transparency in their relationships. Love for travel and exploration. They have a strong desire to explore the world and experience different cultures. Sagittarius Moon people are often drawn to travel and may find inspiration and personal growth through their adventures. Independent thinkers. They have a strong sense of individuality and may challenge societal norms and beliefs. Sagittarius Moon individuals are independent thinkers who are not easily swayed by popular opinion. They value the personal truth and may actively seek out alternative perspectives. It's important to note that the moon sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets, can influence their personality and behavior.